Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Art Whisperer 88. On your screen you will see ghost number 2. So this is the second ghost print that I had pulled from the previous video with 3 ghost prints, and I had done ghost number 1, and so I have found my reusable stencils once more, and this time I'm using mostly half moon shapes. You may not be able to see it very clearly on the screen, so I have my trusty sheet of acetate here, which I had cleaned off camera. So I will quickly make a guide for the stencils, because I do want them to be situated in a very specific place, and this would be very difficult to do in reverse. Okay, so that is the general layout of this print. Let me take this out. And I'll take my pieces off the print. Okay, again, I will reverse this. And this way I have a guide. There's a big half moon here, and an even bigger half moon here. This is the donut. And here's an other half moon right there. Okay. So this way I make sure that the stencils fall on the places where I want them to. Okay. And the good thing about this sheet of acetate is it cleans out very well with the natured alcohol. Or you could use rubbing alcohol. That would work as well. Now for this piece, I wanted to use this is cobalt, and then I will use a gold in the middle and a light color apricot on this side to contrast with the deep red. So I will go ahead and I will start with the lightest color. Now for some reason this apricot color is very thick. It's very chalky. I think it's because it contains a lot of white pigment. It doesn't seem to be as well blended as the other paints, but it might provide interesting texture. Okay, that's the apricot. And then I will put some metallic gold here. Not a whole lot. So I'll use a clean brayer. And then finally, use some cobalt blue. So this time the zones of color are very distinct. Okay. Then as usual, I will apply some some lines to create some additional texture. Okay. So I'm hoping that these stencil shapes will give some definition to the ghost print. I think I got them all. Okay. Now to refresh your memory, I will show you this is ghost print number 2. So as you can see, it's like a yellow ochre on the left and a deep red on the right. Okay, I just stopped to soak my brayers. Let's see what we got. It's a very nice contrast. The crimson really is very vibrant, more so than before. There's a slight misregistration, but there you go. It's pretty interesting contrast. So I'm going to air dry this and then do a recap. So don't go away. Okay, back from a short break. I was able to air dry this piece. It has a very different feel. It's a little, I would say, rougher because the textures are very coarse. They're not as fine as the other prints. But I'll give a close-up so you'll see what I mean. It's almost like a very rustic look to it. I think some artists term it as grunge. It's a grungy print, but the textures are very interesting, and I think they give the print a lot of life and movement. The scribble marks are not too obvious. I think it's because the texture of the paint overwhelms it. But I like the contrast of colors, and so this is ghost number 2, and I hope you liked this video. It's a little adventure for me, and with printmaking, every print is an adventure because you will never know where the journey takes you. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you next time.